The fire extinguishers in your facility need to be appropriate for the classes of fires that are most likely to occur there. For example, a work area that contains wood, flammable liquids, and electrical machinery should be equipped with extinguishers that are rated for Class A, B, and C fires. Since many facilities have this combination of substances, multi-purpose dry chemical ABC fire extinguishers are by far the most popular type of extinguisher in use today. These extinguishers use a chemical called monoammonium phosphate that coats the fuel and smothers the fire. But the residue that ABC extinguishers leave behind is not only hard to clean up, it's also mildly corrosive. So they should only be deployed when there is the real possibility of Class A fires occurring. Dry chemical extinguishers that are rated for Class B and C fires discharge sodium bicarbonate, also called baking soda, which is non-corrosive and easy to sweep up. So these extinguishers are preferable when fighting B and C class fires. The heat from a fire causes the baking soda to release carbon dioxide gas, which smothers the fire. Its residue also forms a barrier between the fuel and oxygen, so that the fire won't reignite. Carbon dioxide CO2 extinguishers are another type of extinguisher that is rated for Class B and C fires, and they don't leave any residue. They're especially good for use in computer rooms and other areas that contain electronics or other delicate equipment. But while CO2 can smother a fire effectively, it also tends to disperse into the atmosphere very quickly. As a result, a blaze that has not been completely extinguished could easily reignite. So if you're using a CO2 extinguisher, you need to watch closely to make sure that the fire is really out.